Guys, it's a demonstration of the Holt fire alarm system, and this right here is like a Siemens or Wheelock ELHS. There's the annunciator and the some weird Siemens unusual pull stations. There's a strobe in there. Established 1986. And there's a Lithonia emergency light. No strobe in here. There was a Siemens in there. Oh, I'm just recording the fire alarm system. Sorry guys, that was just a little. And hey, they forgot to take the resets. They forgot to take the reset key out of there. Are you stupid? Gee whiz. Gee whiz, bro. There's a sprinkler. Who's following me? Just kidding. And there is a Wheelock AS horn strobe. And on the way back to the office, I saw like some simplex or auto call-ish true alerts. I don't know if they were ES true alerts. Anyways, back to the explanation. There's the ELHS. Man, they forgot to take that out of the reset key. There's a strobe in there. Oh. I can go up here by myself. I'm just recording the explanation of the fire alarm system here, so do not mind me up here. Anyway, sorry guys, that was just an interruption. Oh, get it. Merrick's. I don't see any smoke detectors in here. Well, this fire alarm system is kind of awful. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.